Most people hear the word physics and run for cover. But it's not just for rocket scientists. You are surrounded by physics all the time, and whether you realize it or not, you use physics every day. Physics, in fact, is an ancient and broad field of science. Let's explore. What is science? The word science probably brings to mind so many different pictures: a fat textbook, white lab coats and microscopes, an astronomer with a telescope, Einstein's equations derived on a chalkboard, the launching of the space shuttle, chemical reactions in the beakers. All these images reflect some or the other characteristics of science, but none of the above provide a complete picture because science has so many aspects. In fact, science raises the curiosity about how the world behaves. We can understand how nature works. A scientist will test the idea in the real world. Science can help us to understand ourselves and the world around us, how it works and where we fit within it. Another important aspect is the scientific method, which usually means a series of steps that scientists follow to discover how nature works. The scientific method provides logical, rational problem solving across many scientific fields. The basic steps of the scientific method are: 1. Make an observation that describes a problem. 2. Create a hypothesis. 3. Test the hypothesis. And 4. Draw conclusions and refine the hypothesis. Now let's talk about physics. In general, we can describe physics as a study of the basic laws of nature and their manifestation in different natural phenomena. We have many basic questions in our mind. What is the origin of the universe? What is it made up of? Unification and reductionism. These are two approaches to physics. Unification means attempting to explain diverse physical phenomena with a few concepts and laws. For example, Newton's universal law of gravitation explains the motion of freely falling objects towards the Earth, the motion of all the planets around the Sun, and the motion of the Moon around the Earth, thus unifying the fundamental forces of nature. Reductionism means breaking down